What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video. I'm here with my buddy Tal. You saw him in the Corvette video. This is his new bike, 1000cc leader bike. Going from this bike, 500 cc's. Anything you want to say, Tal?
Yeah, you know, went from the 500, turned 18, thought it was about time to get the old 1000. Real nice, real blessed to have it. You know, it just shows you can do anything you want in life. So, yeah.
Let's get right into it. Alright, you guys, we're going behind Tal now, and hopefully we're going to have some fun, see what that bike can do. So if you guys watch my channel, you guys will probably know that I really only post about cars, and I'm not a huge bike person, but I am going to be giving you guys some basic specifications on the bike. So it has a cross-plane inline 4-cylinder engine that is the same one in the R1, and that's good for a 0 to 60 in 3 seconds or a little bit below. It's got 998 cc's, and as I mentioned earlier, Talon, my buddy, he was going from that other bike which had 500 cc's, so it was a big jump for him. And he hasn't even really used like the full power yet because the bike is so new to him. I'm not really going to be talking too much about the bike besides what I just mentioned. I'll just let you guys enjoy some of the clips, but I thought I'd give some background information about the bike, at least the basic stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show off the bike a little bit and congratulate my buddy Tal on the purchase. If you guys did enjoy the video, I really would appreciate it if you did subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram at NoLimitMero11. And like I said, that's it for this video. I'm out. Peace.